Is the era of high oil prices coming to an end? Oil posts its third straight weekly decline as worries mount over a global supply glut. Prices are falling as the market faces a potential surplus, driven by persistent oversupply concerns, ongoing U.S.-China tensions, and broader geopolitical factors. The recent sell-off signals that even as demand recovers in some regions, production remains robust, outpacing consumption. For investors, this matters because lower oil prices can dampen inflation, but they also impact energy stocks and the broader commodities market. If the surplus persists, we may see continued price volatility, affecting both emerging and developed markets. Watch for any moves from OPEC or major producers to curb output and rebalance the market. Let's move to our second story. U.S.-China talks are back on the agenda, with delegations from both countries set to meet in Malaysia next week. The White House has confirmed that preparations are underway for a potential meeting between the two presidents, signaling a possible easing of trade tensions. For the global economy, any progress in these talks could be significant. Tariffs and trade barriers between the world's two largest economies have weighed on global growth and contributed to market uncertainty. Investors should keep an eye on these negotiations. Positive developments could boost market sentiment, while setbacks might trigger renewed volatility. Turning to our final story, Coca-Cola is reportedly considering a $1 billion IPO of its Indian bottling arm. According to sources, the beverage giant may soon take its Indian bottling unit public, potentially unlocking value and strengthening its presence in one of the fastest-growing consumer markets. This move highlights the strategic importance of India in Coca-Cola's global growth plans and reflects a broader trend of multinational companies seeking local listings to tap into emerging market capital. For investors, this could offer exposure to the expanding Indian consumer sector and underscores the ongoing globalization of major brands. In summary, oil markets are facing renewed pressure from oversupply. U.S.-China trade talks are set to resume with potential implications for global markets, and Coca-Cola may soon offer investors a new emerging market opportunity. Keep watching for shifts in commodity prices, updates from the trade negotiations, and whether major IPOs like Coca-Cola's Indian arm materialize.